to drive-through therapy. Today's video is on dealing with fear in recovery. Fear is very common in addiction recovery. It can keep people trapped in their addiction. They can see how much their substance abuse is destroying their life, but the idea of leaving their misery behind most often frightens them. This is because they are very familiar with their lifestyle, even if it is far from perfect. People who are trapped in addiction can often feel that this is the best they can expect. They are frightened by their lifestyle changes, mainly a new life that may be full of boredom and unsatisfying. It can seem like a great deal of work with little or no reward. I'm going to list some of the most common fears that people generally have during their recovery, especially during early recovery. Fear number 1, the fear that their life will be boring with little or no fun at all. Fear number 2, fear of being alone, having no friends and having to make new friends who don't use. Number 3, the fear of staying clean will require much work and effort. Number 4, fear of entering unknown territory. Fear number 5, dealing with life's challenges without the use of alcohol or drugs. Number 6, the fear of failure. Not being able to stay clean can also be a justification for relapse. Number 7, the fear of being depressed and not ever going to be happy again. Number 8, the fear of living in isolation, having to turn down invitations to functions that serve alcohol. Number 9, fear of emotions, having to deal with them without any substances. And lastly, number 10, the fear of my past catching up with me, either founded or unfounded fears. In closing, here are some helpful tips that can help you deal with fear. Tip number 1, take time out, at least a 15-minute time out. Tip number 2, ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen? Number 3, talk about how you feel. Don't stuff your feelings. Number 4, don't expect perfection. Tip number 5, expose yourself to the fear. It is a temporary emotion. Number 6, take it one day at a time. Stay in the present. Stay in the precious present, here and now. Number 7, get real. Be yourself. Number 8, go back to basics using the acronym HALT. Hungry, angry, lonely, and tired. Number 9, go to a support group meeting such as AA, NA, Smart Recovery, etc. And the last tip number 10, would be reward yourself. Thank you for watching my video. Please look for more of my recovery videos, and you can visit the website www.drivethrough-therapy.com. Thank you.